The big bull once said, "Growth comes from chaos, not order." It makes one wonder what exactly the Warren Buffett of India meant by this quote. But then, if you look upon his net worth and how his earnings from stock have held a roller coaster pattern over the past more than 2 decades, one will understand these words along the lines. Sadly, the man who spoke many such inspirational quotes on investments in stocks has passed away on 14th August morning in Mumbai's Breach Candy Hospital at the age of 62.
Rakesh Jhunjhunwala was born on 5th July 1960 in Mumbai and was an Indian billionaire, business magnate, stock trader and investor. उनके पापा एक इनकम टैक्स ऑफिसर थे और उन्होंने अपना ग्रेजुएशन सिंधनाम कॉलेज से किया था and thereafter he enrolled himself at the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in 1985. Jhunjhunwala's interest in stock markets arose when he observed his father discussing the markets with his friend. उनके पापा ने उन्हें मार्केट्स में गाइड तो किया था पर कभी उन्हें पैसे नहीं दिए थे इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए और उन्हें अपने दोस्तों से भी पैसे मांगने को मना किया था. तो राकेश झुंझुनवाला ने अपनी खुद की सेविंग से इन्वेस्टमेंट शुरू करी थी जब वो कॉलेज में थे. बिगनिंग विद 5,000 rupees as capital in 1985, Jhunjhunwala's first big profit came in the form of rupees 5 lakh in 1986 और 1986 से लेकर 1989 के बीच में he earned almost rupees 20 to 25 lakh profit. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's first successful investment was in Tata Tea in 1986, जहां उन्होंने 5,000 के शेयर्स खरीदे थे at rupees 43 per share and later it rose to rupees 143 in 3 months, giving him over 3-fold returns.
राकेश झुंझुनवाला ना ही एक इन्वेस्टर थे बल्कि वो बहुत सारी कंपनीज के लिए डायरेक्टर एंड चेयरपर्सन भी थे. According to Forbes Rich List, Jhunjhunwala was ranked the 36th richest man in the country. He founded and managed his own portfolio as a partner in his asset management firm, Rare Enterprises. Besides being an active investor, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala was the chairman of Aptech Limited, Hungama Digital Media Entertainment Private Limited, and sat on the board of directors of Prime Focus Limited, Geojet Financial Services, Billcare Limited, Praj Industries Limited, Provoke India Limited, and many. He was also a member of Board of Advisors of India's International Movement to United Nations, also known as IIMUN. In 2021, he co-founded Akasa Air, a low-cost airline in India, with former Jet Airways CEO Vinay Dubey. The new airline has 2 aircrafts with additional order of 70 more crafts as of August 2022. It is also important to understand that सारी investment झुंझुनवाला की कभी successful नहीं होती थी. What sets Mr. Jhunjhunwala apart from a regular investor is that he is not easily scared by short-term volatility in the market. He is very careful in analyzing the fundamentals of the company. Until the fundamentals are intact, he does not care whether the stock goes up or down. उनकी philosophy है कि over a period of time हर stock कभी underperform करेगा कभी overperform करेगा. But India's growth story has just begun and eventually every potential and patient investor will make it.
Rakesh Jhunjhunwala tasted his first profit in the year 1985. It was a small profit of rupees 5 lakh compared to today. It was in between 1985 to 1989 जब उनकी इन्वेस्टमेंट से 25 लाख का प्रॉफिट जनरेट हुआ था. कैरी फॉरवर्ड टुडे उनकी सबसे बड़ी इन्वेस्टमेंट टाइटन कंपनी में है, विच इज मोर देन 7,000 करोड़ रुपीज. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala was known for his business skills and talent of identifying profitable investment. उनकी net worth $5.8 billion rupees है. That makes him the 438th richest person in the world at the time of his death.
His major investments are in construction and contracting, that is 11%, miscellaneous is 9%, banking and private sector is 6%, finance in general is 6%, construction and contracting civil is 6%, pharmaceuticals is also 6%, and banking in public sector is 3%. He held $1.4 billion in Titan, $884 million in Star Health and Elite Insurance, $281 million in Metro Brands, $262 million in Tata Motors, $113 million in Fortis Healthcare, NSE 0.02% in IT firm Aptech Limited, and NSE 2.52% in video game maker Nazara Technologies Limited. Jhunjhunwala had plans to donate a quarter of his wealth to charity. His portfolio included healthcare as well as educational related initiatives, supported organizations like St. Jude, Augusta International Foundation, Ashoka University, Friends of Tribal Society, and Olympic Gold Quest.
Rakesh Jhunjhunwala provided us with various investing lessons. Firstly, he stated that patience is important, not only in Titan, but there are also various companies where he showed his excellent patience level. In 2005, he sold 27 crores of Crisil shares and bought a flat in Marabar Hills, Mumbai. He always suggested having patience as a good investor. Thereafter, he stated to learn from mistakes. After some time, he sold his flat at a significant price. He says that a flat would have cost rupees 80 to 90 crore, but if I would not have sold the Crisil shares of rupees 27 crores, then today its value would be around 700 to 800 crore. उन्होंने कभी भी अपनी किसी मिस्टेक को रिग्रेट नहीं किया, जबकि उन्होंने उससे सीखा ही है. अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम, मार्केट इज सुप्रीम एंड दैट नेवर गोज राइट और रॉन्ग. सिर्फ उसका क्रेडिट जाता है, वो भी तुम्हें. सो वेन एवर यू मेक मिस्टेक्स, उनसे सीखो, उन्हें एक्सेप्ट करो और आगे बढ़ते चलो. इफ़ यू नेवर एडमिट योर फॉल्ट, यू वुड नेवर लर्न. एक्सपीरियंस एंड स्किल्स. राकेश झुंझुनवाला का मानना है कि एक्सपीरियंस सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट व्हील है ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, एंड हम लोग अपनी गलतियों से ही सीखते हैं. दिस इज वन ऑफ द रीजन फॉर राकेश झुंझुनवाला सक्सेसफुल इन्वेस्टमेंट. देन ही स्टेट्स टू बी एक्टिव. He says that a reasonable investor should be an active person. वो अपने लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए जाने जाते हैं, पर वो एक एक्टिव ट्रेडर के नाम से भी जाने जाते हैं. He strengthens his capital base at the beginning of a career with the help of trading. He says that the trading keeps him alert. According to Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, you should be passionate about your goal. उन्होंने स्टॉक मार्केटिंग इसलिए शुरू नहीं करी थी क्योंकि वो एक फेमस क्रिएटर बनना चाहते थे, बट उन्होंने इसलिए शुरू करी थी कि वो अपने स्टॉक मार्केटिंग के बिहेवियर के लिए बहुत पैशनेट थे और उन्हें स्टॉक मार्केटिंग करना अच्छा लगता था. देन ही सेज टू दैट टू गेट सक्सेस इन एनी एरिया यू नीड टू हैव अ विजन टू अचीव इट. उनकी जर्नी से 5,000 रुपये से शुरू हुई थी और अब 5,119 करोड़ की है, जो साफ साफ उनका एक्सीलेंट विजन शो करती है. Lastly, his investing lesson includes that right decision should be taken at right time. He has always been right time, right decision player. उन्होंने हमेशा सही समय पर सही स्टॉक को चुना, and this quality lead him in investing.
Thank you guys for watching our video. We hope you liked it. If you need a video on any particular topic, then do let us know in the comment section below. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon below.